A conversation between two friends about travel and tourism. Travel basics. Do you like traveling? Yes, I love exploring new places. Where do you want to travel the most? I want to visit Europe. Do you enjoy adventure sports? Yes, I love hiking and climbing rocks. Do you like beach destinations? Yes, I want to visit Mexico and Indonesia. Are you interested in cultural tourism? Yes, I love visiting historical places. Favorite destination? Do you have a favorite destination in India? Yes, I love Kashmir Valley. What's your favorite international destination? I love Italy. Do you have a favorite destination in Asia? Yes, I love Japan. Do you have a favorite destination in Europe? Yes, I love Paris. Do you have a favorite destination in America? Yes, I love New York. Travel tips. Are you good at giving travel tips? Yes, I think packing light is essential. Do you have budget travel tips? Yes, staying in hostels and using public transport is crucial. Do you have solo travel tips? Yes, researching and hiring local guides is vital. Do you have food safety tips? Yes, trying local cuisine and checking hygiene condition is important. Do you have emergency situation tips? Yes, saving emergency contact numbers and getting travel insurance is necessary. Cultural exchange. Are you interested in cultural exchange program? Yes, exploring cultural diversity is essential. Are you interested in language learning? Yes, learning local languages is crucial. Are you interested in traditional cuisine? Yes, trying local cuisine is vital. Are you interested in festivals and celebrations? Yes, attending local festivals is important. Are you interested in cultural norms and values? Yes, respecting local customs is essential. Adventure activities. Are you interested in adventure activities? Yes, hiking and climbing are must haves. Are you interested in water sports? Yes, snorkeling is essential. Are you interested in air sports? Yes, skydiving and paragliding are thrilling. Are you interested in land sports? Yes, rock climbing and biking are exciting. Are you interested in winter sports? Yes, skiing and snowboarding are must haves. Travel planning. How do you plan your trips? I research online and consult travel guides. What your favorite travel booking platform? I use book.com and Expedia. Do you prefer group tours or solo travel? I prefer solo travel for flexibility. How far in advance do you plan your trip? At least 3 to 4 months. What's your budget for travels? It varies, but I allocate $1,500 to $2,000 per trip. Food and drink. What's your favorite travel food? Street food, especially biryani and kebab. Have you tried any exotic drinks while traveling? Yes, coconut water in Thailand. Do you have any food allergies or restrictions? No, but am mindful of local customs. What's the best meal you have had while traveling? Pizza in France. Do you cook while traveling? Occasionally in hostels. Accommodation. What type of accommodation do you prefer? Budget friendly hostels. Have you stayed in any luxury hostels? Yes, in Dubai. What's the most unique accommodation you have stayed in? A tree house in Costa Rica. Do you use travel reward cards? Yes, for points and discounts. What's the worst accommodation experience you have had? A noisy hotel in XYZ. Safety and security. How do you stay safe while traveling? Research, awareness, and take caution. Have you encountered any safety issue while traveling? Minor incidents, but nothing serious. Do you purchase travel insurance? Yes, for emergencies. What's the most important safety tips for travelers? Stay informed and aware. How do you handle emergencies while traveling? Stay calm and contact authorities. Reflections and future plans. What's the best travel experience you have had? Exploring Japan. What's the worst travel experience you have had? Flight delays. How has travel impacted your life? Broadened perspectives. What's next on your travel bucket list? New Zealand. Any final travel advice? Be open minded and flexible. Thank you. Thanks for connecting me at the end. Please share and drop a valuable comment. And for showing your love, hit the like and subscribe button.